It will be quite interesting to know the features of Sudarshana Chakra. Let's see it. Sudarshana Chakra is one of the weapons of Lord Krishna. Sudarshana Chakra is derived from two words, Su and Darshan. Su means auspicious and Darshan means vision. Sudarshana Chakra is regarded as one of the most potent weapons in the celestial world. Let's see the features of Sudarshana Chakra. This divine discus is believed to have 108 notched edges and travels at an incredible speed. It travels millions of yojanas in 1 second. That is a blink of an eye. 1 yojana is equal to 8 km. Incredible speed. Sudarshana Chakra have millions of spikes in 2 rows moving in opposite directions that give serrated edges. Sharp. Movement of Sudarshana Chakra is like throwing a disc. No need to operate by doing any action. No action required. Next feature is powerful. Divine Chakra is always in constant motion and it is said to be created by Trinity gods, Lord Vishnu, Lord Shiva and Lord Brahma. So it is powerful. Once chakra leaves the finger, it chases enemy and it won't return back until it completes its task. Taskmaster. Even after releasing the chakra, it will be in control of the person who wield it or hold it. It is controllable. It travels along the Shunya mark, which is path of zero stress nature, and hence it reach anywhere within a moment. High efficiency. When an enemy possesses an obstacle, its speed increases and this is called Hansagati. Feature is high efficiency. Only way to escape from chakra is to surrender to chakra or person who wield it. Forgiveness. There is relationship between chakra and the person who owns it. Chakra totally controlled by that person through his mind and thought. Excellent control in action. With all these spikes and constant motion, we think that it will produce more noise. That is not correct. Main feature is noiseless. We will see details of Sudarshana Chakra parts and its meaning in next video.